we will see how to use exponent in Excel. In column A, I will fill series. I have entered 1 and filling the number till 20, which is 1 to 20 in column A. And in column B, I wanted to do exponent of 2. This I will keep it 2 in column B. I will also insert a row. I will enter base exponent. In column C, I will enter value. Color the heading. If I wanted to calculate exponent of 1 to the power of 2, I will use the formula equals 1 to the power of 2. The symbol what you have seen, it will be there on your keyboard above number 6. If I use the formula again to find out 2 to the power of 2, it will give me 4. Since I don't want to use the number straight away, and I will use the cell reference so that I'll be able to copy the formula across the remaining cells. I have the cell reference now. If I drag, the formula gets copied. Now we have the values for the exponent. You saw how we got the exponent value using the formula. Now we will see value from function. Let us take equals and use the function power and open the bracket. Enter the cell reference, which is A2, comma B2. We have the value, but this time we are using the function which is called as power. This we got the value using formula. This we got the value using the function. The function what we used was power to calculate the exponent. So let us now try with another example using power of 3. Let us keep the base value as same. Copy the base value in H column and exponent of 3. Copy exponent 3. Let us also copy the value and value of function. I will use the formula in J2. H2 to the power of 3. H2 is 1 and J2 is 3. So I got the value h2 to the power of 3 is 1. 1 to the power of 3 is also 1. I'll copy the formula in J21. You can copy the formula in any of the cell. You will get the value. Or you can simply drag the formula across all the cells to get the value. And if you wanted to do using the function, we will use the function now. After using the formula, let us find out using the function. I will enter equals power h2 comma and the exponent of 3, which is I2. Close the bracket. I'll copy the formula across any of the cell to get the desired result. You can copy similar way in any of the cell to get the result. And to copy to all the remaining cells, simply drag the formula so that it copies the formula across all the cells. After copying the formula across all the cells, you will get the desired result. So now you have found out the exponent for 3. If you wanted to see what is the formula used, just highlight the entire range, click on formulas and show formula. It will show the formula what has been used for the selected range of cells.